guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. So if you guys are new here, my name is Michelle and I love all things makeup, skincare, beauty, and everything in between. So if you're interested in that too, make sure you guys do click the red subscribe button down below and also the notification bell so that you guys are always informed as to when I post a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription that includes 5 full-size items for $25 a month. Now these items can range from anywhere to a $10 item to a $150 item. It is such a great value and a really great way to build up your makeup collection if that's what you're interested in, or to also try out new makeup and skincare products that you probably would never try if it weren't for Boxycharm. Theme this month is Boxycharm Lucky, so every month you get a theme, and on the back it tells you what everything is and how much everything is worth. So for $25 a month, you get over $125 value. It is such a great steal, honestly, and this has been really the main way that I've grown my skincare and makeup collection. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. These are the items that come in the box. The first item, which is probably one that I'm most excited about, Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. So this is the most expensive item that comes in this month's box at $39. It is a lightweight moisturizer that seals in a lasting hydration without clogging your pores. It is non-comedogenic and non-acneogenic, which means it's not going to break you out. And it is especially good for sensitive skin. I absolutely love Glow Recipe already, so I am excited for that. I'm going to quickly just tone my skin. You don't have to tone your skin. I just like to, especially since I recently washed my face, but it's already dry at this point. I just feel like it helps the products absorb a little bit deeper. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that there. And it does have a really soft banana smell, but it's very natural. So then the next product in this month's box is the Avocado Hydrating Eye Masks. So this is what it looks like right here. This is from a brand called the Beauty Crop, which I've actually tried this brand before, but never this product. So I've tried this brand before. They have amazing lip glosses, but I've never actually tried the eye masks. So these are going to hydrate, plump, and nourish. A pack of 3 under eye masks that retails for $18. It has avocado and green tea, which helps to hydrate and depuff tired looking eyes. The avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs the under eyes. It doesn't really say how long to leave it on for, so I'm just gonna go on a limb here and say that we're gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. So you leave it on for 15 minutes. You can place the pointy side of the mask outwards to target under eye puffiness and wrinkles, or point it inwards to target crow's feet, and discard after the use and rub in the remaining serum. So we're gonna go ahead and rip it open. Point these outwards for dark circles and wrinkles, or we could point it this way, and this is gonna help to target crow's feet. Feels really nice. I feel like if you had a jade roller and you just rolled it underneath this, it would feel so refreshing. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that on for a few minutes, and then I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like once I take it off. All right, so it's been about 10 minutes. I can't wait the full 15 minutes because we have things to do, but let's go ahead and take it off. I will say this feels so refreshing underneath my eyes, and I definitely do feel like it helped out a little bit with my under eyes, not looking so baggy, but they definitely just feel so energized. Like, it doesn't feel as puffy, like, you know, that tired feeling that you feel. Jumping in to the last few products. So these are all makeup related. So you guys can see we got 2 skincare products, and then we got a few makeup products. So the first one is this Rose Water Setting Spray. This is from this brand called Mavin Beauty. I've never tried this brand before. This retails for $22. And it is an aura lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. It's supposed to help lock down your makeup and help it prevent from smudging for up to 16 hours. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that setting spray real quick, and I'm just gonna seal in my primer. So then we also got this Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, which I already own. This is what it looks like right here. This retails for $38. And since I already own this palette, I have 2 of them. This one is the one that came in my Boxycharm box. It is brand new, never used before. and I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway. So I actually already have the giveaway going on my Instagram. You're going to find this reel, and all you have to do is follow me and tag 2 people in it. And if you want to share it onto your story, you get an additional entry, and I will be choosing a winner to win the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. This is such a gorgeous palette, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it in today's video. Honestly, I've always loved Lime Crime's eyeshadow palettes. I literally have all of the Venus palettes, and they're just incredible. Definitely check that out. I'll put my Instagram handle down below as well, and the link to the reel and all that stuff, so that way you guys can check it out and enter for your chance to win the Venus 3 palette. So then the last item that we got in this month's box is this Cab Beauty Hydrating Lip Oil. This is in the shade Rum Punch, and this is going to really hydrate the lips and give you a nice little tint to the lips as well. And it is going to be super comfortable and last all day is what it says. It's a really, really nice smell, and I love this type of color here, like this like reddish color. I just feel like it looks so pretty on the lips. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom on in, and we're going to go ahead and do a quick little makeup tutorial. So we're going to start off with that mid-tone pinky shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that into the crease, and I'm going to go ahead and build up that intensity and also apply a little bit on my outer corner as well. And again, a little bit goes a long way, so start with a little bit and then build it up until you get it to the intensity that you want it. And once you get it there, then just kind of wing out the outer corner, and this is just going to kind of give you a nice blown out elongated effect to the eye look. And then I'm just taking a little bit of the lighter matte shade in the palette and just blending out the edges to make sure that everything is nice and seamless and that there are no harsh lines. And then I'm taking a little tiny bit of the shimmer shade here. I accidentally grabbed some of the dark shimmer shade, so I just kind of mixed both of them together, and it created this really pretty custom color. I kind of actually liked it, and I did apply a little bit more of the lighter shimmer just to kind of make sure that it looked brighter. And then I'm taking the darkest shade in the palette and just applying that on the outer corner of my eye before using that as an eyeliner. I just go ahead and take some of that shadow, and I actually wet it with a little bit of setting spray. I just forgot to show that part, and that's just going to create a custom liner look, but still keep it nice and soft, and also make it all go together with the eyeshadow palette. And then I'm taking a little bit of my highlight shade and just cleaning up underneath my eyes just to make sure everything is nice and clean and precise. I usually always do my eyes first, but anyways, we're taking a little bit of the shimmery light color in the inner corner of the eye. I feel like this just completes everything and just gives you that nice beautiful pop. And then setting my face and then applying some mascara, and that is it. All right, so this is the finished makeup look. Again, I already knew I love the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. Literally, these colors are right up my alley. It's like all the shades that I love, and I realized I never took this film off here. No wonder I couldn't really see myself that clearly. But it's like all the shades that I love all in one place. I love pinks. I love purples. I think they look so great on my skin tone, and I think they look so great on brown eyes. I feel like they just really make them pop. And honestly, I feel like it's like the perfect palette for spring. And then the setting spray was really, really nice. I feel like it gives a fresh glow to the skin, but it doesn't look super greasy. Like, I feel like it looks really, really natural. So if you probably have like oilier skin and like that dewy eye look, that dewy skin look, I think you'll probably like this setting spray. I will say it kind of drips a little bit. The nozzle drips, but the like spritz is so fine and it smells so refreshing. So I really, really like this a lot. I'm curious to see how long my makeup lasts with it. And then the lip oil is absolutely stunning. Feels so comfortable on the lips, just gives a little hint of color, but nothing too crazy. I did end up adding a little bit more of a blush color that was a little bit more pinkier, just to really bring out the color of the lip. But I feel like this was a really great box. Granted, I feel like the products in the box weren't as expensive, but like even my under eye makeup went on super smoothly, from the eye patches, the setting spray, the gloss, the oil, the palette, just everything is absolutely phenomenal in this box. So definitely, if you guys are interested in trying out Boxycharm for yourself and signing up and building your own makeup collection, definitely check it out. I do have a link down below. It's not affiliated or anything. I think you guys will love Boxycharm. It is literally my favorite. Ever since I've gotten it, it's been a priority of mine to always make sure I have enough money to pay for my Boxycharm box, because it is just my favorite thing. And since me starting getting Boxycharm, I don't spend as much money as I used to on makeup. They also have really awesome perks too. They have an add-on store and a pop-up store. So the add-on store, you get really great discounted products. So let's say that you didn't get this moisturizer in your box, but you really wanted it, you can go in the add-on store, and instead of paying the $39 that this cost at retail price, you would pay a fraction of the price. So I think this one is like $12 or something like that in the add-on store. Pop-up is very similar, except I feel like add-on has a little bit more discounted products, but pop-up has way more better deals. You can get, one time I got one of my favorite moisturizers that's $125. I got 2 of them for $9. So pop-up definitely has some really great deals. So there are definitely some amazing perks with Boxycharm that come along with being a member for Boxycharm, and you can get any of the boxes to get those memberships or to get those perks of being a member. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you guys got your Boxycharm box, what your favorite item was, or you can let me know which one of these 5 items you guys are curious in trying. And do not forget to enter my giveaway. I will have my link down below for the reel so that you guys can check it out and you guys can enter that giveaway. That is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then.